How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally if you want to send a photo from your gallery to Snapchat, what it does is that, so let me go ahead and show you. I'm just gonna go to this chat icon. I'm going to select a random person here. If I want to actually upload a photo from my gallery, I just tap this photos icon here. I allow all the access and then I select a certain photo and then I send them. The problem is that this doesn't get sent as a snap, but instead it gets sent as a chat, which means that they can view it right away. But what if you want to send the photos from your gallery as a snap instead of as a picture? Well, that's also very simple to do so. All you have to do is, for that, just come back to this camera icon here. Scroll all the way to the right hand side of the screen until you get to the Explore tab, or what you can also do is you'll see the Explore tab here. You can just tap on it and then just tap on it here. Over here what you want to do is simply search for a filter known as photos. So go ahead and search for the photos filter. Any sort of photos filter is going to work. In this case I'll select this one here. Now what this does is that it will ask me to simply select a picture. So I'll just select this picture, which is right at the first, or you can select the other one. Tap on it once to take the picture. Once you've done that, just hit the send to option, send it to that person, tap the arrow icon in order to send the snap to them, and then it will get successfully sent to that person. Now if I come to my chat page and then show you, the one that I sent later actually has been sent as a snap. So you can see the another one, it says delivered. The previous one was sent as a picture, the second one will be sent as a snap. So this way you'll be able to send snaps from camera roll as normal snap. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.